the Viper, not the Viper, the Eagle on top of me.
Okay,
Okay.
can we get a front end shot this time?
This is a
I
sick
made
ass
both.
ship, man.
It's all I see in the gallery is ass ends.
Oh, well, the next one will be.
Great.
Could
Great.
you not smack the Eagle, please?
That has destroyed my shields. Don't
Your
worry,
shields are
it'll be
fine. Stop complaining.
I just like.
Guys, get into formation, please.
All right, coming. Where? Hold on. Whoa. Okay. So.
What? What?
Oh, is
Why
that a
my ship
fighter?
is flying?
You have Condor fighters. I'm trying to find you, Sonic. Where are you?
Behind you, you flew away.
Oh, that makes more sense. Hold on.
Oh, so I can make
Jesus Christ,
NPCs
Sonic,
control
where
my
the-
ship.
There you are. Okay, you want me above you?
The Eagle, yes.
Now we're in space. So what does above
Approach
mean?
my ship.
Above my ship, relative to my ship.
Okay, I got Edmund Black salivating for your guys' photos and videos.
Barata, Cyborg, you can coming out.
I
Could
can
you
try.
get a bit lower? Try and
Oof.
just like... I'll say stop. Okay, stop. Now center a bit more. Okay. Yeah.
Working
Okay,
on it.
that's good. Get a bit more to the left.
Okay. Hold on.
Roll a bit to the right. Yeah, stop. And yaw a bit to the right.
Holy shit!
That's thrusting, I said yawing.
Trying to figure out why my thing won't.
No, no, that's yawing.
I'm yawning.
Sorry, I was in the old. Damn it, I was in docking. That's why. I was in.
Oh,
I wasn't in standard flight control.
So when are the Anacondas gonna go into position?
That's
Put them in the
okay.
distance.
I'm switching ship.
Okay, stop, you're perfect. Now try and stay still, please.
Gotcha.
Barata, Zinc, please get here.
And I suppose only half of you are actually in Winter Wolves colors, right?
I don't even
Yeah,
have
sorry, I
money.
haven't
I don't
bought
have
the
money
colors.
for colors. What are
I
your
haven't
Winter
bought
Wolves
the
colors?
colors
Because
for
I'm
my ship
colorblind.
yet.
Are they like blue and white? Because I'm colorblind.
Just white and black, I think.
White and black, that's better. Because blue is the color of inferior people.
Winter Wolves colors are explained in the WW Fleet channel.
Well, I did not see that.
Then see it now. You've got
Well,
time. These guys are
would-
taking their time.
I would, but I am colorblind. So it's easier to
I
see.
assume you can see black and white?
Unfortunately, yes. That would be true.
That's cool. Actually, that's cool. Somebody get it. Once you get a really decent shot, someone edit it and turn it into a black and white photo. That would be cool.
Alright.
Hey guys, hey Spirit, you still lacking that EA tracker?
Get next to me, not under me, please. Alright. A bit forward and up.
Hello. What was that, Airburn?
I'm just asking, you still lacking the ED tracker?
A bit more forward.
I really
haven't
like
touched
how my,
it.
my
Okay,
eagle
stop.
just looks like a fighter
That's good.
that jumped out of one of your ships.
Barata, a bit lower. Barata,
I see
bit
we
more.
have a patch.
stop.
Yeah, my ship is green.
And a bit more backwards. Barata,
Hey, Barada!
stop. Now go a bit more to the right.
I like your ship. It's pretty cool looking.
Stop. Okay. Now stay still,
Here,
everyone.
most welcome.
And stop shooting.
I definitely want a picture of this for my desktop. So I don't have a desktop background yet, and this is what I want it to be. Should get the station in it as well.
I think it's in the view. Yeah, it is. Zing, can you go up slightly? Stop. Okay. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. Everyone turn your lights off. It's
Oh.
giving me a headache.
That's funny. Say cheese.
Cheese!
So it is.
Okay, now get some more angles.
I like how there's emergency escape hatches on your ship.
Who's?
Who's the big green ship next to me?
Zinc.
That's
It's because his ship is big enough to have those exits.
to have friends in it.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's pretty cool.
Mine has
Yeah.
a friend in it, or at least
Mine,
could have.
Mine has a toilet. Somewhere.
Mine's-
Okay, I'm done.
Mine's got a friend in it, but it's a blow-up doll.
Nice. It's the autopilot, right?
That's right. But she drinks beer.
Of course she does.
Of course, it comes out the other end. But yeah, hey, that's why I was keeping extra mug down there.
We going in? Oh yeah.
Yep.
Just a reminder, every time we get a kill, somebody let me know so I can tally it.
Well, you don't have to tally it every kill at a time. You just
Oh hell yeah, I
basically,
do. I have a thing on my phone that I can do it super easily.
just basically when you turn in your box, just take down the number.
I want a confirmed kill
jumping?
number.
Go to Super Cruise.
Yeah, my fighter is boarding.
Engaging.
Okay, I suppose number of ships killed would be nice too.
Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I think it'd be great.
Little
to be able
bit.
to, like, yeah, we killed 30,000 ships.
You guys
How
got
many capital ships we had.
to remember the Ministry of Propaganda is interested in your story, so they may want interviews and ships killed and all that shit. And the daring escape capsule thing of fucking McDunderson as he catapulted out of his eagle.
Well, I've got a story. Don't worry, it's good. I know how I'd word that. Alright, I'm jumping in.
Hold on, I'm sending the screenshots. Everyone jump in and wait.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Where are you guys at?
39 Leonis.